Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about keywords everywhere free. A lot of people have been asking about how they can get keywords everywhere for free. Oh well, there was a time that keywords everywhere was absolutely free with a certain limit and all that. Then we usually use them, have limits. You can use to up to a particular amount per day and all that. But at this point in time, keywords everywhere have become a completely paid keyword tool. They did this switch sometime about a year or two ago. So you can no more use keywords everywhere freely. You can download the extension freely from the Play Store, install, setup, and all that. But for you to be able to see keyword statistics, you have to buy the credit. And the good thing is that the credit is not expensive. You can pay just $12 for a year. So like, as you can see right here, you will not be able to see anything. This is now a pay keyword everywhere feature. Purchase a plan to see the Google metrics. So sorry to disappoint you. Keywords everywhere cannot be gotten free at this point in time. So that'll be all for this video. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.